Let's dive into an example how you can leverage Agentforce in the context of property management. Keeping in mind, property management and firms need to react quite efficiently on emergency callouts, need to provide a quick resolutions and handling various different maintenance cases. So this is a right challenging task for those kind of companies. Especially keeping in mind if you have an existing solution like chatbots or human agents, they sometimes are just too generic in terms of like the service they can provide, and they didn't grab like the sense of urgency, especially if you have some kind of really deep issue. And of course, you have like a lot of drain of resources, as if you're seeking for 24/7 support, it's quite cost extensively, and in most of the cases there's just like no real to do for them. So keeping that in mind, Agentforce can really help to reducing the costs and be way more efficient. So jumping into the demo, and yeah, there's obviously an incident. We flooding the kitchen, and we want to provide with an agent now the best possible service. So we provide an Experience Cloud page where we exposing the agent, and our customer directly can seeking for the right support. If the user is not logged in, we've come up with some primary questions to do some kind of security checks to provide even a seamless service if the user is potentially not logged in. Furthermore, the customer then provides some kind of detailed information that helps us to provide the agent with like the respective context, especially in terms of like building up like providing the right solution. So in terms of like we have a leak in the kitchen, we're seeking for and want to fetch the right and best possible knowledge article in the first place to actually directly fix the issue in terms of like turning off the valve if you're a do-it-yourself guy. And furthermore, we're seeking for the right additional steps to help. In that case, we want to, for example, schedule an appointment with a technician and yeah, providing them the right service. As Agentforce is a kind of very front-loaded technology, you're seeking for the right tool, especially in terms of like drawing down and developing like the right way how you want to develop it. Meaning you have like a tool to define and summarize the actions you want to take based on the specific instructions you provide to the agents. And having that in a visualized way will help you to implement Agentforce.